Hi everyone, today I want to show you teamimg collaborating on images. You go to teamimg, as in Mary, teamimg.now.ch, and then you click upload to upload your picture to get ready for your activity. So let's say, let's look like this image. This image could be really nice because students can talk about emotions. That's it, you're ready to go. Copy this and send to your students. If you are on Zoom, copy this link and send it by chat. It will look like this. Then students will be able to click and write sentences. For example, he is angry. Comment. And there's a way to for other students to click reply and say one more thing. For example, we are angry. Reply. Another thing, so we have a little thread here. We can do, for example, happy. She is happy. Or you can elaborate. You can tell them to write more complex sentences. For example, we are happy when we don't get any homework. Just an example. And then comment. Students can see each other's comments, so it's a wonderful way to collaborate on any image: food, recipes, animals, any image that you upload. We can collaborate on that image. So one last thing here. Make sure that it's not green. If it's green, then students can see each other's reactions. So make sure it's on this side. It looks white, and then they can see each other's notes and comment. So this is really good for the beginning of a lesson if you want to brainstorm, or if you want to sum up a lesson, practice some language chunks and more. So I wish you good luck and have fun. Bye bye.